Here we have an RCBO, stands for residual current breaker over current. It is a RCD with a built-in MCB all in one unit. These are very popular in that they take up less space on your DIN rail of your switchboard, giving us RCD leakage protection as well as cable protection. So this particular one here is a C10. So it's a C-curve, 10 amps rated. And down here we have the information on the RCD. It is a type A. You'll see the little window off to the right there, that it is AC and pulsating DC. 0.03 amps, 30 milliamps is the leakage current that this is set for. Wired by bringing the neutral in on the left and the phase in on the right, and outgoing neutral out on the left and phase out on the right. So double pole switching the phase and neutral. The little orange button there is the test button. Looks fairly similar to an ordinary MCB, but of course we have the extra terminal for the neutral, which is a giveaway, and also the little orange test button. So over here I've dismantled one of these RCBOs. It's in two layers. This top layer here that I've got visible is the RCD section, and below this layer is the MCB section. This top section here is the neutral, and this contact just there is switching the neutral conductor. The little board here is the amplifier board that is amplifying the signal produced on the toroidal core by an imbalance of phase and neutral currents that would be picked up on this board, amplified, and operate the tripping coil, which is this little yellow coil here, and therefore trip the mechanism, opening both the phase and neutral conductors. It's a really compact design, pretty clever little design, and definitely space saving. A little bit hard to get apart to show you both layers without destroying the whole thing. So that's what the inside on the neutral side of the RCD part of the RCBO would look like to you. The arcing is on the phase, and that's on the part that is below this part. We've got our standard arc splitter set up just like we have on the standard MCB. So there you have it, an RCBO, 30 milliamp sensitivity, and a C10 circuit breaker characteristic. This is the Chint brand, very popular and well priced, and pretty decent component, to be honest. If you look on one of my earlier videos, you'll see the internal workings of the MCB section, and that will be what is below this layer on the RCBO. So RCBO, the acronym stands for residual current over residual current breaker over current, RCBO. Pretty hard to dismantle this without things moving around once you drill the rivets. That little spring there that's on an angle, that's meant to be sitting on one of the rivets there that came off. That contact there is the outgoing neutral, and this contact here is the incoming neutral, and the face contact is below there on the layer below. It's a very tidy little design, and pretty amazing how they can cram so much into that space. So there we have it, a C10 RCBO with a leakage sensitivity of 30 milliamps, residual current breaker over current device. Thank you for watching.